Hey everyone, welcome back again to another video on this channel. This time we talk about the outgoing message sound notification. Some people might be interested in turning it off, so let me get started with it right now. Of course, if you turn off the text tone alert in your settings, when you just set it to none, you can disable all the alerts and sounds of the incoming messages, as well as the swoosh sound when you send messages yourself. So that's already a solution. But the problem is that you perhaps don't want to have your phone in silent all the time. So here's a trick or like a shortcut that I created to fix this issue. Now, just click the link below in the description, go ahead and tap on it and add it to your device. Essentially, with this shortcut, you need to create automation like this. So in the Shortcuts app on your iPhone, tap on Automations at the bottom. Start a new automation and choose the trigger to be the app and pick When Opening App. Choose the app to be the Messages app. Also click the Run Automatically option instead of requiring confirmation. Click on the next step, and from the action that is supposed to happen at this automation, choose the shortcut that you just added from the description. This just means that when you open up the Messages app, the silent mode will automatically be turned on, meaning that during the process of writing and sending messages, your phone won't make the swoosh sound because it's in silent mode. Keep in mind that it can also be set to make the iPhone loud again upon leaving the messages. You just need to have another shortcut, which turns off the silent mode, and another automation which gets triggered by leaving the Messages app. So when you open Messages, iPhone turns silent, so no sounds for sending texts. But when you leave the app, your iPhone is back where it was, and you'll nicely hear all your incoming message alerts. So does that sound interesting or too complicated? Let me know below. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.